International Left-Handers Day, 13th August. International Left-Handers Day is an international day observed annually on August 13 to celebrate the uniqueness and differences of the left-handers. The history of International Left-Handers Day. Dean R. Campbell, founder of the Left-Handers International Incorporated, first observed the day in 1976 to help raise awareness of the advantages and disadvantages of being left-handed. Annual observances continued after the first recognition by Campbell, and the day was later declared an official celebration by the Left-Handers Day Club on August 13, 1997. Every year, many left-handers head to social media on August 13 to share the challenges and inconveniences they face in predominantly right-hand world. The left-handed struggle. While using right-handed scissors, writing in spiral notebooks and playing musical instruments are seen as modern-day struggles, left-handers also have been subject to different treatment in the past. Left-handedness was once viewed negatively by previous generations, dating back to the Middle Ages, when lefties were thought to be possessed by the devil. In the later years, some left-handed children were compelled by their parents and school teachers to use their right hand for writing tasks. Research also shows that left-handed people could be more likely to experience certain conditions too. For example, a study by Yale in 2013 found that 40% of those with schizophrenia are left-handed, while 11% of those diagnosed with mood disorders such as depression are left-handed. According to a Journal of Economic Perspective study, left-handed people are more likely to work in manually intensive fields and most notably earn 10 to 12% less than those who use their right hand. Famous left-handed people. Barack Obama, former US President. Leonardo da Vinci, artist. Drew Barrymore, actress. Tom Cruise, actor. Bill Bryson, writer. James Cameron, director. David Bowie, musician. Jonathan Rose, presenter. Prince William, royal family. Paula Radcliffe, athlete. Pele, footballer. Jimmy White, snooker player. Neil Armstrong, astronaut. Marie Curie, scientist. Henry Ford, industrialist. Aristotle, philosopher. Some interesting facts about the wonderful left. Just 10% of the world's population is left-handed, and this has remained roughly the case for thousands of years. Men are also more likely to be left-handed. Historically, left-handed people were considered inferior, with the use of the left hand being associated with witchcraft. Left-hand shakes are a sign of disrespect. This derives from the Middle Ages, where people used to use their left hand to wipe after going to the toilet. The word sinister comes from the Latin word sinistra, which originally meant left, but took on meanings of evil or unlucky. Wedding rings worn on the third finger of the left hand originated with the Greeks and Romans, who wore them to fend off evil associated with the left hand. The term left-wing dates from the 1790s, when in the French Revolutionary Parliament, the socialist representatives sat to the presiding officer's left. Leftists at this time were considered hostile to the interests of the traditional elites. Christianity traditionally associated the left hand with the evil through its description of the Last Judgment, where the damned goats are sent to the left and the saved sheep to the right. In The Simpsons, character Ned Flanders set up a shop to recognize the plight of the left-handed people. Named the Leftorium, it specialized in the left-handed products. 5 out of the last 8 US presidents write with their left hand. Gerald Ford, Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush, Bill Clinton, and Barack Obama. Lefties are also called southpaws. The term was coined in baseball to describe a left-handed pitcher. There is even a place called Left Hand. It's in West Virginia, US. But sadly, the town isn't named after its left-handed community. It's actually named after nearby Left Hand Run Creek. How to celebrate? Many organizations and public places in cities around the world create lefty zones where everyday objects are adapted for use by left-handed people. If you are a lefty, go celebrate your awesomeness at one such zone. Take your right-handed friends with you to show them how difficult it can be to use objects made for them. Spread the word about this special Lefty Day or connect with any of the many left-handed social groups on your favorite social media sites. Lefties are everywhere. Invite all your left-handed friends over and share some stories about what it was like for them to grow up in a world made for righties.